How long is YouTube TV free trial? Ultimately, it seems YouTube TV has now standardized on a 7-day free trial for all new members across the United States. As soon as you sign up, you'll have 1 week of access to try out YouTube TV on your devices before you have to enter any payment information or commit to a monthly subscription. So while they may have tested some variability, the latest answer for how long is YouTube TV's free trial is simply 1 week, 7 days to evaluate the service. This is still a generous period to get your first real taste of the streaming TV experience with YouTube TV specifically. As with any free trial, just be sure to make note of when your trial ends. That way you can decide if you want to continue with a paid membership or cancel before you ever get charged. Frequently asked questions: how do I qualify for YouTube TV's free trial? To get YouTube TV's 7-day trial, you simply need to be a new member signing up for the first time. As long as you haven't had YouTube TV before, haven't had an extended free preview,